Hello, you lot. Welcome to another Marley update. There has been lots going on, so we are just throwing these videos out there at the moment. So we're really only 3 weeks into the build, going at some pace. Of course, the sun's starting to come out ready for spring, so we do need to get Marley to Joe and Paula as soon as possible. In the last vid, what did we do? Loads. We painted the van, we got given some rims from Heritage, we got the boys at Slaughterhouse put the tyres on for us, thank you Ben. We fitted the amazing loom from Ian at Air Cooled Auto Elec. Jazz and Vero built a very swanky engine from the VW engine company. Thank you, James, for that. And lots of other stuff, I'm sure. In this video, what can you expect? What's it been? Just over 3 weeks since we picked Joe's bus up, and lots is going on. We go to see Simon at Butty's Bits and get screws, bolts, something like that. Kev put some windows together. We get all the locks sorted with Desi Yates, thank you Desi. The timber arrives and Kev starts building some stuff once he's had a sleep. He's also putting together the rock and roll bed. And I get stains everywhere and lots of other stuff, I'm sure. Check it out, guys. So there's me thinking that was really straightforward. I thought, oh, Jazzy's going to get me a cup of tea. But he just said, you can have a cup of tea if...
I'm going to set you a challenge. I need 30 of those.
Jesus wept.
By Monday afternoon. I'll point my finger in it so you can see how big it is.
Okay. What's that? Window?
Yeah, window frame holds the window frame together.
Right. Mesh on.
What do you want?
We've arrived. I don't know if we want to arrive. Should we just go? Should we leg it? We've come to get some bolts for Marley. Saturday morning, we're here.
Yeah, I'll get up nice and early.
This
I'll come and
is-
see you.
This is the man that was just here the other day, wasn't he, with the bumpers and
Wiper.
the wiper set up and loads of other bits and
Cakes.
bobs. And the cakes.
How do you forget the cakes?
Yeah, Saturday morning.
Did Sam know? Did he know about the cakes?
Do you know about the cakes?
You didn't know about
I
the
do
cakes?
not know about the cakes.
Oh,
Sorry,
okay.
mate. Anyway, you got any nuts?
Where are
Oh, not nuts, bolts. Screws? Oh, there we go. This is, anybody.
They'll do.
Look,
They'll do the job.
that is what we're after. So, we can get the windows back together. Cheers, Si.
Bye.
Bye, mate, bye. Leg it, Sam, leg it. This is Kev's pop-out window, put back together video story thing. So we've got 6 windows to go back in the Marley bus. And last week, they were taken out. They were in a bit of a mess. So we have, well, you tell us, Kev, what we've done.
So this is what we started with.
Okay, so this is...
This is one of the original windows out. So that is, obviously all the rubbers have gone hard, and obviously there's quite a fair bit of rot in the frame. So we have to cut all the rubbers away to expose the frame.
So this is a particularly bad one that we're not reusing.
We're not reusing
and,
that one.
We actually had some of our own ones, didn't we?
Yeah, we had some upstairs.
Previous,
Yeah,
so-
a bit better condition than that one. So by the time we rubbed them down, etched, primed them, and then
What you saw hanging up, wasn't it, last
John
week in the bid?
repainted the frames. So now we're left with a really nice frame again.
A lot new.
Yeah, really good.
Because the whole thing is these are pop-outs, aren't they? That's the whole point.
Yeah,
That's
pop out.
why
It's got 6, which is unusual.
6 pop-outs.
6
So
pop-outs, yeah.
ordinarily, we would just be looking at normal bits of glass with a rubber seal and they pop in, right?
Yeah. Little screw in little hole.
All right. Okay, Mr. Kev,
Yes, sir.
show me. That is all 6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ta-da! So, in here somewhere is a box of locks. There we are, down there. And Desi Yates has asked, can we just box them all up, Jazzy?
Yep.
Send them straight down to him,
Yep.
and they'll come back, all working, all ready to go. There we go. Desi, they are going to be boxed up.
As we speak.
Dispatch day. There it is. The man's. This is the timber. Look who's arrived just as all the work's been done, eh? Hello, Kev.
Oh, look at that. Some proper materials.
Proper, mate, proper.
Wood, not metal.
Is that what you like? Bit of wood?
I like a bit of wood, not metal.
Okay. This is the all-important indoory bit. Kev is templating. Kev loves templating, isn't he, Kev?
Yeah, I love it.
It's your most favourite thing. So although Kev's templating at the moment, what we really need to concentrate on as priority is the stuff for the upholsterer. So Mick is going to be upholstering this van, and we need to therefore get him a rock and roll bed. Now, we haven't had much joy in finding people to source us a rock and roll bed. We thought it would be easy. We thought someone would just turn up at the door and go, there you go. But it never happened. So that's an absolute critical part of this. But we are now in control of that again. And we lost nearly a week trying to source one, which was crazy. We just needed to get on it ourselves. Anyway, we have it, we're doing, and we're shopping. So we're gonna go and get that. It's just out there. Once we've got that done, we can cut the boards for it, or Kev, yeah, we, him. We can cut the boards for it. And
He sources it, we sort it.
then we can get it up to Mick to get some upholstery
Bless him,
done.
He does so well. We're very proud of our Brent.
Get out of town. I'm going. Bye. Scrubber.
Not scrubby. That's flattened.
Nice.
All smooth.
So if this is the first of these videos that you've watched about Project Marley, please go and check out some of the others. We'll put the links below. Essentially, we're finishing Joe's bus that he started renovating a few years ago. Joe is now very, very poorly. He's too poorly to finish it, which is what we're going to do. This is really a small job in terms of getting his family back out and enjoying some of those precious times together. I was talking to Joe yesterday, and as difficult as this situation is, it has highlighted what might be a cliche, but just to get out there, do what you were going to do next year, do it this year. Go look up with your special people, your special friends, your family that you keep meaning to say hi to. Make that effort. Go and sit in the field. Go and see your buddies. Go now. No, don't go now. Watch the video first. But you know where I'm coming from. Go on, Kev.
Yeah.
And mind your fingers, by the way, because they have a tendency to...
Did you say do I want hand? Yeah, you hold the camera.
Show us how it works then, Kev. So this is the bed in its bed position, and this is essentially the back part of the van underneath, with the engine underneath here. So when it's working, that goes up. Oh, it makes a seat. Whoa! Anyway, hang on, if I do this, Kev, that'll work. There you go. See.
Good, isn't it?
So Kev said he's got some good news. Go do it, Kev.
Great news. Rock and roll bed will fit in the split screen. perfectly.
Height-wise, all good.
Height-wise, perfect.
So we're going to put 80mm floor down. Wicked. Right, I go. Ciao. There is a big manager's sell-off at a very local paint and varnish place that I won't mention. Look at that. That's a bit of a no-brainer. All of this varnish, all of this wood coverings, 75% off. So I think we'll be back in a moment. We've got some colours. We're going to go have a chat with the boys, see what they reckon. Kev, look what I got.
Oh, that's nice.
I've just nicked them from down the road. I haven't nicked it, I've got to give them back first. Right, we've got nice dark brown leathery finish going in. Probably not dissimilar to that, a bit darker than that. But is that too dark for interior? Also, we're governed by what's on offer down the road. 75% off down the road, Kev. You mean come and have a look.
What colours are panels?
Dark, chocolatey, sort of leathery brown and cream.
So that sort of colourish.
Yeah, I think it's like darker than that, somewhere in between the two. We want to avoid the orangey bit.
That's too red.
Yeah, quite orangey.
That's orange. Red. Orange. 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 That's quite nice. That's what I thought in the first place.
What was it?
That's light oak.
Light oak.
Well, the only other one is that, isn't it?
And what's that one?
That is antique walnut. Or is black. What was that one?
Yeah, it's a bit green. Shall I go down and see what's on the shelf?
Yeah, it's not.
I'm going to go and bring some stuff back. We just do some samples.
Yeah,
Let's go and get some samples.
we can do some samples.
Alrighty, I'm going to go and see. I'm going to go and twist some arms. It's Friday night. I'm here with Marley. I've just demolished some Haribo, and I'm about to do a quick stain test. Are we going walnut, ebony, or mahogany?
A few moments later.
Here we go, guys. Mahogany, really orangey. Ebony, really kind of nyeh.
Who are you? We are the knights who say...
Nyeh. And we got walnut. I'm going walnut, which is, you know, quite old school. It's kind of like a little bit 70s, 60s, 50s. That's kind of what Marley is. I think that's the right thing to do. Anyway, Paula and Joe will be here. We can get them to make that tough decision. Right, progress is being made with Mr. Kev. This is the night after Valentine's night.
Oh shit, tin.
A bit of a late one, Kev.
No, it's fine. I'm just checking it was working all right.
Oh, I see.
Works fine.
That actually does work really well, mate, doesn't it?
So it's perfect.
And this is the extent of the finish. This lovely grey metal finish we're looking at. Look, we've got new door cars going on. Okay, maybe not. This is the trial bus, isn't it, Kev?
Yeah, this is the trial bus. I've been in here a few times.
So that sits on there.
Hello.
Kev, that works.
Works perfect.
Nice.
Paula. Joe. Paula. Paula, Joe. Kids.
I reckon
kids.
Paula, Joe,
Dog,
kids
dogs.
and dogs will all end up
Dogs.
piled on there.
Yeah. All lot.
That'd
Whole
be-
family.
Nice. So obviously, this just turned up today. Highest priority with everything that's going on. We've got something else that's got to go into the paint shop. Check it out. How cool is that? Right. Actually, Vero, you mind scotching that one, mate, and give it to Jono?
Yep, no problem.
Cheers, man.
You're welcome.
See you later, buddy. Nice one,
Bye.
fella. Ooh, what's that look? Oh, you're bushing, start motor bushing.
Start motor bushing, replacing it while I can. It's nice and
I was
easy.
going to say, because ordinarily that's underneath causing you a whole heap
And
of
we've
hell.
got a new starter motor as well.
Shiny. God, this is all shiny, Jazz.
All everything. I don't know what I've got gloves on,
I was
really.
going to say. So you're shiny and you're smoothing. Look at that. Oh, I can see it shining in the camera, Jono.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Feel like you're,
Feel like the head.
Wee.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not going to show too much on it, otherwise they're going to give too much away. Wee, up there.
You got something.
Summon.
Something. It'd be great.
Get it open, Sonny.
Oh. Don't scratch
Is it from Desi?
Is it from Desi? Oh.
Project Marley.
Oh.
Oh, I think that must be. Check it out, that's cool.
What's that? What's that? So, I think that these are all the locks and keys from Desi. Well, I hope.
Oh, the ones we sent up to him?
Yeah. That's what he does, isn't it?
That is. That amongst other things, but yeah. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Talk about shiny, shiny. That's fantastic. Desi, wonderful. Let's get the rest of these open.
Snazzy. Oh. Now that's an ignition. Boot. No.
You got it.
Boot.
Boot. There you go. That is it. All unwrapped, ready to go for the morning. The boys aren't here. They got everything they need. There we go. Happy days. Right, I'm going home. Bye.
Am I going with you? Please. Get back.
Come on. So, what is next? Paula and Joe are travelling down to Sussex as we speak. Will they get here in time for the next vid? Let's hope so. I have it on good authority. Joe's navigated. Look out, us lot. What's else going on? We will have the engine in and bolted up. I chat with Rob at Cool Air to try and get some important tunes for the truck. We'll also have an update on how Simon's getting on with the turret roof hinges, which is proving interesting. And the bus starts going back together. We might even get the new wheels on her. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. It's moving at pace. It's such an important project. If you haven't done, hit that subscribe button just to get those updates sent to you. And also, if you haven't, please share. The more people that you can tell about this project, the better it is for Paula and Joe to get some help, whether that be financial or whether that is just in spirit. And one of the very last things is, if you have helped on this project and I haven't mentioned you, I do apologise. So many people are helping and offering help. You know who you are, and we love you all. Cheers, guys.
Turret tops.